Do you ever get frustrated when you're searching and organizing your recipes? Finding recipes on social media and the web is great, but trying to organize them all to create a meal plan is not so great. I have lots of favorite recipes scattered between books, magazines, and scanned documents. I set up a system to organize everything I need so any recipe I've collected is easy to find when I want it for the week's menu. By the end of the video, you will see how I use Apple Photos, Apple Notes, and Apple Reminders on my iPhone to effortlessly plan my weekly meals with my saved recipes. I'll be going through each one, so stay tuned. If I have a recipe from a magazine or a book that I want to keep, then I will go to New Recipe by clicking on the box with pencil. I'm going to click the camera icon, and here's where I'm going to scan a document. So holding it over that recipe so I get a nice full view. Now I'll click it and make sure that I can even frame it so it's looks good by dragging the corners. You can drag the corners till they are in the right place. Then I press done. Save. Now it's in here, but notice that the title doesn't make any sense. It just says scan document. So if you click here and then go down to rename, you can say Southwestern Turkey Chili. Press save. So we're searching and we found it here, Southwestern Turkey. I'm going to add some tags now. So I'm going to tag this chili. I'm going to tag it dinner. So maybe I'll do turkey. Good thing to know. Okay, now I want to put this in my meal for the week, my plan. So I'm going to again hold it till it wiggles like that. I'll go over to reminders here. I'm already in my menu. I decide where I want to put it. And if I change my mind, I can always change where it is. I'll show you that. So I've let it go there. Now, if I want to cook this maybe sooner in the week, I can just drag it up and move it in reminders. So reminders is awesome. I have lots of different lists here. And I have my shopping list also in reminders, which is pretty cool. So if I add an item, it'll automatically organize it. Once I press return, it'll put that into the correct category. So very cool. So here's my menu for the week now, all the things I've cooked. Now let's say I've already cooked some things. I can take them out by pressing them and then they'll disappear. So my list isn't so huge. They will go away. Sometimes while scrolling on Instagram or Facebook, a great recipe appears. Instead of trying to copy and paste the recipe, I use my Photos app, and I have a system for creating a saved recipe in Notes that way. Let me show you how. So when I'm scrolling and I see a recipe that looks good, I press on it. It has the ingredients and the process. This is how I collect it. I'll take a screenshot, then I'll edit the screenshot as I go, press done, and save to photos. Then I'm going to take the next screenshot and again, edit it as I go, save it to photos. My last picture, I'm going to take it. I'm going to create a new note by pressing the box. I'm going to press the camera icon, choose photo or video, and go to my photos where they are. And starting with the picture, and then that. Then press add, and let's see if they went in the right order. They did. So this is called pesto stuffed spaghetti squash. I'm going to just add that as a title. And then go down, and the last thing I'm going to do is tag this. I do have a lot of recipes for spaghetti squash, so I'm going to tag it spaghetti squash, and I'm also going to tag it dinner because that way I can find it when I'm looking for something for dinner. Okay, the last thing that I want to do with that recipe I saved in notes is I want to put it in the right folder. So opening it up, pressing the three dots on the top, move note, and then I'm going to find my folder that says recipes, and now it's in my recipe folders. When it's time to plan my menu for the week, I use my collection of recipes to create a plan in reminders. Here's how I do that. Now, the third step is to take this recipe. If I want to use it for my menu plan for the week, this is how you do it. So here's the recipe we just saved. I'm going to hold with my finger until it wiggles. That means I can move it. I'll go over here to my Reminders app. And in Reminders, I have a list called Menu. That's where I do my menu planning. And I can put this anywhere I want it. Once I let go with my finger, it'll drop. So I'm going to put it right there. And the awesome thing here is that now that it's in my menu list, this is my menu for the week, I can just press on the notes icon and it'll go right to the recipe. Hey, so what did you think? Did you find this video helpful? Feedback is great. Let me know in the comments. I have my next video planned, but if there's a video that would be helpful to you or an app that you struggle with, let me know again in the comments, and maybe it'll be my next video.